Start with just $10. Buy something cheap, resell it for more, and repeat. Small steps can build massive profit over time.
One simple design can launch your entire business. Upload it, and let the platform handle everything else. Your first product is live in minutes. Print House. Start selling today.
Learn a tiny skill, sell it as a gig, and repeat. Small gigs can grow into a real income stream. That's the premise. Aim to make a highly visual, engaging, wonderfully interesting video, the best possible version of the premise above.
One viral video, that's all you need. I bought this little flex lamp for 10 bucks, plugged it in, and filmed a quick demo. Tiny, crazy bright, runs for hours off a power bank, even a mini solar panel. Shot my clips, edited on my phone, and hit post. $10 in ads later, boom, 4,380 in sales.
Share one link, boost one post, and let the commissions roll in. Simple, scalable, powerful. I spent 10 bucks to boost this post, and in 3 days, it reached over 12,000 people. $172 in commission on autopilot. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing when you amplify it the right way.
One good domain name can be worth a fortune. Buy low, hold, and flip high. That's the premise.
A small boost can start something big. $10 put my first video in front of thousands of new eyes and a whole new group of followers. Now those views are turning into ad earnings and a growing community. Grow your page and let Facebook pay you later.
Sell the service at a higher price. Outsource the work and keep the profit. It's leverage at its best.
Write a simple guide. Publish it. And watch the sales add up, one download at a time.
The best investment you can make is in yourself. One skill can change your entire financial future.